wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best grappling hooks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the Saifee grapnel comes in 3 sizes, the smallest of which can support up to 88 pounds, and the largest of which can accommodate as much as 276. They're handmade and heat-treated to ensure their strength and quality is consistent. The hook points are very sharp and they're great for riverbed cleanup, but note that they're not intended for holding a person. At number 6, coming in at less than 10 ounces, the maomao Multifunctional Claw won't add too much heft to a pack. It can be used to retrieve items from pits and crevices that would be difficult or dangerous to get to the bottom of, or to simply pull something out of a tree. It includes a bat gear tie and opens automatically on the ground. However, its weight capacity is low. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the Saifee 3 Claw sports a collapsible design that makes it convenient to transport, and it comes with a rope so you'll be able to start using it immediately. Though rated for 660 pounds, it should not be used for mountain climbing. The claws can be secured open or closed, and it digs into surfaces well, but the included carabiners are low quality. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for grappling hooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, at some point almost everyone drops their keys in a sewer drain or loses a sock in that annoying crevice between the washing machine and the wall. In these situations, you'll want to have the Tec Retrieve Mini at your disposal. It's equipped with a handy magnetic head and the spikes are removable. It's small enough to fit in a pocket. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with its graceful shiny appearance, the Luxardo Sub is a solid choice for outdoor enthusiasts who want to attack their excursions in style. This solid hook can take repeated beatings, and its jagged claws attached to surfaces with a vice-like grip. It's oil-quenched for hardness and nearly impossible to bend or break. It comes with a carrying pouch. At number 2, the gearoz Multifunctional is a 2-in-1 design that combines a gravity hook with a grapnel, making it a versatile item to keep on hand. Despite its diminutive size, measuring just 6 inches long and 3.5 inches wide, it can support up to 800 pounds. It disassembles for transport and includes 33 feet of paracord. It makes a great bottle opener too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the ruipoo folding has saw teeth on each of its 4 claws that help it attain a secure hold on a variety of materials. When collapsed, it's about the size of 2 stacked soda cans, so it's easy to transport in your gear bag. It's made of rust-resistant stainless steel and boasts a capacity of more than half a ton and a reinforced rope attachment hole. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for grappling hooks, or simply click beneath this video.